What's up guys, Ben here from Passion Planner with this week's Challenge of the Week. We just started these weekly videos to help support you guys in incorporating the challenges inside your planner into your everyday life. If you're watching and you don't have a planner, you can order one from our website, or you can try out the free online PDF version from our website as well. And with that, let's get into our Challenge of the Week. Set a scheduled time aside each day to plan out your day the night before. Schedule high priority tasks at the beginning of the day to knock them out and get the most out of your day. So the first piece of advice that I have for you guys is set an alarm to remind you when to plan. I tend to plan on Sunday evenings, Monday mornings, usually in the mornings before work. That's the time when I'm most focused, most energized, and I highly recommend that you do so as well. Find times in your day when you feel most energized and most focused so that you can really put your time and energy into just, writing down the things that you need to get accomplished for the day or for the week. And hopefully that will help you in accomplishing the big task for this week. So my second piece of advice is find a system that works for you when it comes to planning out your days and your weeks. For me, I really like to use the to-do list, this week's focus, and the individual daily focus. I use that every single week. I tend to use them for work projects and a few things outside of work, some personal projects, and that's usually what I use inside the Passion Planner. But I know there are many other people that like to color code. They have a lot of different ways and systems that they tend to use their planner to get things done, but that's generally how I use it. At the end of the day, it all depends on what your needs are. If you don't have a system when it comes to planning, or you're just starting out, try a few different ways this week to set up your planner. So my last piece of advice is to plan with someone. You don't necessarily need to plan with someone in person, but I suggest having one or two people that you can share your goals with and just be there for you when you need to reach out to them if you need help accomplishing a task, or having them check in with you to keep you accountable. If you don't already have a support system in place, this is a great way to incorporate a system that hopefully will last not just this week, but the months to come and then the rest of this year. So that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed these tips on taking on this week's challenge. If you guys have any other tips, leave a comment below. I know that I'll appreciate it, along with many others in the Pash fam that are watching this video. So leave a comment below. If you guys enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hope you guys have a great week, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.